I wish everyone the best of luck. Hey, Happy New Year everyone. Hope everyone had a nice New Year's Eve. Today is my first ride of the year, taking advantage of the nice weather. Typically around these days, we have between -10 and -20 degrees Celsius. Today, it's wonderful. I'm seeing a lot of people out running. Good sign. It's a little windy going down south. Hopefully the wind will change its direction once I make my left going east. Oh, tummy. My tummy is getting bigger. This is what happens when the weather is getting colder and colder and always eating, especially during holidays. Such a beautiful day.
Guess you could say I'm tired of this phase. I need help from drowning in myself. 'Cause every day I'm turning upside down. Don't let me guarantee that.
So lucky today. Roads are clear, a little bit wet, damp, but not enough to splash some water on my back.
I need space, a virtual escape. Guess you could say I'm tired of this phase. I need help from drowning in myself. 'Cause every day I'm turning upside down. Don't let me guarantee that I waste all.
Wonderful ride so far. 25k, another 15k, and I should be home.
Where do I go? Where do I go from here?
Hey, Happy New Year, birdie.
Tell me now, isn't it?
Happy New Year.
Where do I go from here? From here.
I'm gonna take a shortcut this time, make a left. 10k, I should be home. I was thinking of going further north. I think 40k, maybe even 35k is enough. It's just so nice to be out riding on the very first day of New Year. Sort of welcoming 2023. I'm almost home. I think I did 38 kilometers, about 450 meters of elevation. An hour and 25 minutes riding time. I hope everyone was able to go out and ride today and enjoy the new year. Until next time, guys, keep riding, keep having fun. Ride, and ride. My banana's still here. I didn't even get the chance to eat it.